Want this smooth, pro-looking transition effect in your football reels without using CapCut Pro? This edit is insanely simple. You don't need even CapCut Pro to make it, and literally anyone can do it. But here's the thing, if you skip even one step, your final result just won't hit the same. So, watch till the very end, follow along, and I'll walk you through it, step by step. Alright, no time to waste. Let's dive right in. Add all the video clips and sound you want to edit. Arrange the clips according to the beat of your sound. Now select the clip you are going to edit, and select the first frame of your clip, like this, and just slide right, and select Freeze option. Then, just overlay the freeze image. Adjust the overlay image like me. Select the Remove BG, and select Custom Remover, and brush the whole person, like me. After brushing the image, select Stroke, and select this one. Now add some keyframes, like me. Select first keyframe and drag the overlay down like this, and click on this icon and select Flow 2. Now select the main clip and add keyframes, like me. Select the last keyframe and zoom in the video and select Ease Out. Then, duplicate the video and reverse it. After reversing the clip, select Ease In, and repeat this with all of the clips. Now, go to Effects and select Shape and adjust it, like me. Duplicate the effect and adjust same to same, like me. Now, add Luminance effect and copy same as me. And next, add Vertical Shake effect and adjust it, like me. Now, repeat the same process with all of the clips, but remember this, don't add effects on reversed clips. That's it, guys. Follow for more pro-level editing tutorials and comment down which type of tutorial I should make next.